Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see if we can pull the pin code from this VDO cluster from the Mark 5 Golf. The saga continues. It's plugged in and we are going to use the IM508, which is about 1200 quid's worth, with the XP400 programmer. We're going to pull the pin and then we're going to test it with VCDS to see if it's the correct pin. So it's plugged in, so we want to go Volkswagen. Excuse the glare. I want automatic selection. I want to read if the damn thing will focus. Okay, there's our VIN, so I'm going to press OK. Should bring up a Mark 5 Golf. So Europe 2004 to 2009. It's a 2008 car. Okay, good. So that's a good start. So we want to go, ideally, control unit, the immobilizer, and we want to read emo data from instrument cluster. Okay. So it'll connect to the programmer and then it'll pull the pin and all the information from the instrument cluster, so that there's nothing else is connected. So there's our pin number, 24892. Okay, 24892. So if I now write that down, 24892, 24892. So that should be the pin for this instrument cluster, pin for the vehicle. Right, so let's go OK, escape, 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 exit, yes. Okay,
the time is 1400 hours.
Thank you for that. Right, turn the cluster off. Now I'm going to unplug the autel and I'm going to plug in VCDS. Okay. So, right, so VCDS is now plugged in. So, let's just get this out of the way, get that out of the way. So, VCDS is plugged in. Let's turn the cluster back on. It'll make a couple of noisy beeps. Sorry about that. And then we'll go over to the VCDS, cancel. I don't want to update it for now. Right, so I want to go select. So first of all, let's go into engine. So let's try engine, and it shouldn't read. It'll say ECU not connected or no communication with ECU. Okay, so that's correct. Right, so let's now go instruments, and it should read the instrument cluster, no problem. Okay, so it's using CAN, communicating by CAN. There's our instrument cluster. Now, security access. So if I click on security access, it should be 24892, 24892. Okay, 24892. Do it. And that's the wrong pin code. So even with a £1,200 scanner, it still cannot pull the correct pin code from the instrument cluster for a VW Golf. So that I would consider as a failure. So if you've got an autel and you want to read the pin code, don't do it that way. Okay, you'd be a lot better off just cloning a key if you want to do it that. But if you want to transfer this instrument cluster into another Mark 5 Golf, you'll need the pin code of the original vehicle and the pin code of this cluster. And it's not going to work. Okay, so that's that. Next test will probably be a piece of equipment much more expensive, probably VVDI or SPVG, and we'll take it from there. Okie dokie, thank you for watching.